Hi, kombucha followers. Take a look at this. This is a big chunk of yeast dangling beneath my SCOBY. Let's take a look at the growth of my new SCOBY, which is right here, a couple millimeters thick. So it's about 8 days. The old SCOBY is still here. And there are a few layers developing as the kombucha is moved around and gets jiggled. The the kombucha level goes up and down, and so sometimes you'll get layering. I'm going to be bottling some of the kombucha, and you need these Grolsch swing top lids. I'm going to make 3 little bottles, and it's going to be grape flavor. I'll be using 20% juice to 80% kombucha, so pour carefully. I use a funnel. More sugar you get, the more fizzy it'll get. The yeast in the kombucha will be eating the sugars in the grape juice. The Grolsch swing top lids will prevent the release of the CO2. Once it's trapped, the bubbles will be created into the liquid. So this is the second fermentation for your kombucha if you like bubbly kombucha. I'm thinking to take out this big yeasty piece here. I'm probably going to use chopsticks to do it. So there's the surface of the kombucha. Look at that. So now I'm going to top up with the rest of the kombucha. So grape juice 20% and the rest is kombucha. So here are my bottles ready to ferment for the second time. The grape juice will provide the sugar so the yeast can feed on it and create the CO2 and bubbles. And now I'm going to replenish and make a new batch to add here. Never add any juice or anything else to the first ferment. I keep it pure, just sweet tea, and that's it. Refreshing with some oolong tea, about 3 tablespoons. Put the loose leaf in a tea bag. Yeast love white sugar, and they convert that to CO2. So dump that in. We'll let this cool, dissolve all the sugar to room temperature, and then add it to the kombucha.